Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a Lazer Plus heat exchanger aftermarket, and we made some changes from the previous video, and we decided that the inlet and the water connections, it was more crucial to have it on this side. The other film shows the water connections on the other side, and the only difference is that we had a hole bored at the bottom where the exhaust went out through the cutout. But this is easy. You still can make an easy connection, and you can just have the connection go underneath the frame and then right to your terminated port, exhaust port, out through the front of your machine. Real easy hookup. It doesn't get any easier than that. You have to mark off the holes, so you might have to re-drill. But other than that, you'll have a beautiful heater. We're the only ones that fabricate this in the whole USA and overseas. So we have a beautiful template that we use. It's called Access Point Heat Exchanger Technology. It's been in inception since 2007. We sold thousands of these heaters, saved people millions of dollars not having to buy brand new truck mounts because they're going to get excellent heat, high pressure. You want working pressure, you can get up to 3,500 pounds. Don't give up your pressure washing jobs. Not in today's economy. And for around $1,500 to $1,800, you'll have a new machine. Your machine it'll operate just like new, especially if you got your engine and your water pump and your blower working fine, and the overall integrity of your framing is all in good shape. You're going to have excellent results with this. I'm really excited to what we have done in the industry for our truck mount industry, for the end users. We've saved them a lot of money, and in today's times, that's what it's all about. So you'll get the gasket, you'll get the flange that's all been TIG welded, stainless flange, your annular stainless seamless flex hose that goes right on here. Now remember, the old style had the catalytic. That's not what we're using. Catalytic was basically an overcorrection for a bad design. What they were trying to do is, with an air pump, they was trying to inject air and oxygen through the cone to try to make the exhaust gases hotter in order to promote more heat into the metals. The problem is that when they built it with a spiral, and they ran out of room, so they had to find a way to clamp it. So they clamps in through the entire helical wrap. That is not what we do. We have our own internal structure that is safe. It'll give you quick heat. It's a parallel arrangement of 80 feet of high-pressured stainless, 3,500 pounds pressure-rated stainless tubing, heavy-walled. It'll last a real long time. We've got Blue Baron truck mounts out there, 15, 16, 17 years old with the same heater. So this will help save you money. We're the answer to the Prochem aftermarkets. We also do the 405s, the Legend, the Bruins, the Sabre, Bridgepoint Lancers, the Performer Cub XL, just to name a few. So this Lazer Plus heat exchanger is available online at 24/7 at truckmountstore.com. Call us today at 727-505-2989. You'll be happy with the results. Thank you.